everyone. My name is SKCian Divyesh Gundu, Bhartiya from grade 6. Today I am discuss about subject science, chapter number 30, page number 125. Today my topic is types of magnet. There are many types of magnet, but I am talking about only three types of magnet. First, bar magnet. Second, horseshoe magnet. Third, ring magnet. Magnet are come in variety of shape and size, like uniform. First, bar magnet. They are permanently magnetized. These are usually made up of hard material. It is used in microphones, speakers, refrigerators, compass, generators, etc. It doesn't need electric current to work as magnet. A permanent magnet is a bar magnet. Second, horseshoe magnet. Horseshoe magnets are just bar magnet bent in a U shape. U shape makes magnet stronger by pointing the poles in the same direction. This shape becomes the universal symbol of magnet. It can be used to pick up metal objects of any size depending on strength of the horseshoe magnet. For example, small horseshoes can collect paper clips, while industrial size horseshoes magnets are used in construction and engineering to pick up large pieces of heavy metal. Third, ring magnet. Ring magnets are flat, circular in shape and have a hole in the center. They are not quite as strong as some of their day's computer parts due to having less magnetic volume, but the hollow centers make them quite versatile as they can easily slide into the rods. Ring magnets are also occasionally used in medicines and science experiments. These magnets are also used in speakers and vacuum cleaner, etc. Thank you for watching my speech.